What is going on, everyone? Platinum Beast coming at you with yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about Platinum's downward slope, what my thoughts are, and things of that nature. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've got the chart pulled up here and I gotta say it's not looking good. However, I remain bullish on Platinum, so I'm not changing my stance whatsoever as far as the precious metal. However, something we need to take note of is the current trend we are seeing. As we can see here, it's at the close of business Friday, and it's 5:33 when this video is being recorded. And as we can see here, Platinum has been on a downward slope for the past month, right? We have closed at about 1163.81, and that's pretty low for recent times. Now, if we take a look at the 1 week trend, where did we close on Monday? Let's see here. We closed at 1176.50, so we're down about $10 for the week. However, the week prior to that, we were looking at 1193.15. So we're down $30 from that. So it went down $20 and then it went down another $10. Could we see it go down lower? Maybe. However, I obviously don't think it's going to go below $1,000 a spot again. So if you're holding out for that, I'm afraid that probably won't happen. However, if we take a look at a more extensive chart, we can see here the last time Platinum was at 1163 or close to it was April 12th, 2021. So we're at about a 2-month low. So it went up for 2 months and now we're back to where we were 2 months ago. So that's something also interesting to take note of is the prices are very, very good right now. I know a lot of the channels and outlets and things like that like to say anytime there's a dip, the prices are good. However, the prices, we haven't seen these prices in about 2 months, right? And so that's something to take note of, and that's something to take advantage of. So if you were thinking of buying Platinum, this weekend might be a good opportunity to do so, or early in the next week. Because realistically, we could see Platinum go back up to these floatable numbers in the 1200 range, what we saw for around 2 months, almost. Now, if we take a look back a little bit further, we can see the low of March 4th, 2021 was 1124.45. So we have not quite reached that level. We are about $40 over that level. So that's something also to take note of. And when we get further back into the very beginning of the year, this was an area where Platinum really just started to be over $1,000 an ounce. December, January, February, stuff like that. Once it took off to $1,300 an ounce, it made a bull run right here, as you can see. An absolute bull run. And then it kind of corrected itself quite a bit. And then it went down quite a bit. And then it went back up. And it ebbs and flows. And that's really just how the market works, right? But let's also take a look at something else, right? Right here is where it broke into a bull market, right about February 5th. It just went up, down, and it's floated around $1,200 since. So from February 5th to June 11th, that's March, April, May, June, July, August, March, April, May, June. So that's 4 months. So let's take a look at 4 months prior to February 5th. So we'll go 1 year. And we'll go February 5th. So we'll go January, December, November, October. So we'll go all the way back to October 5th. Okay, so we're looking at October 5th right here, $902 an ounce. Now, I'm sure people who don't have Platinum wish they got in at that point. However, back in October, it was at $900 an ounce. And it floated around $875 to $900 until it broke into its $1,000 in the 2-month period. And so what we can gather is there's usually a few months of a spread of a float in spot price before a major up or down takes place, right? There's a float right here. There's a float back here. There's really a float right here, and then it blew up, and then it corrected itself, and it's been floating and chugging along at $1,200 ever since. Now, my hope is that we see $1,300 in the summer. It's already basically summer, so we might see that in the next couple months. We might not, though, so I could be wrong on that. However, that's just what I see as a likely possibility. We also, more likely, could just float around the 1250 range in the next few months as well. However, I wanted to make this video talking about, the recent downward trend, because the past 2 weeks, week 1 was down and week 2 was down even a little more. And so what goes down must go up, what goes up must go down. That's really what you got to kind of look at with platinum as well as other precious metals is, there's trends, there's ebbs and flows, there's a float. There's typically a long float and then maybe a spike up and then a correction down and then a long float, and with ups and downs in the middle and things like that. But if you're thinking about buying platinum, this weekend might be the opportunity to do it. Because with spot price where it is at, prices are looking very, very attractive. And the dealers have not changed their premiums, right? When silver goes down, premiums usually don't change very much either. However, they're so high, it's hard to even really look at silver, right? It's hard to get silver below 30 bucks an ounce. So if spot price goes down, it doesn't matter. You're still paying over 30 bucks an ounce. But with platinum, when spot price is at $12.50, you're paying $13.50 an ounce. When spot price is at $11.63, you're paying $12.63 an ounce. So it's much easier to grasp, and it looks a lot better, at least to me on paper. Overall, guys, I just wanted to kind of give my thoughts and opinions on the recent market trends of platinum and how it's just kind of steadily gone down the past few weeks. It's definitely nothing to worry about. I am definitely still very bullish on platinum. We saw $1,300 in February. I think we can see it again. So if you were thinking about buying right now, now is a good time with price where it's at. I wanted to share a couple of deals I found for you all in case you were wondering or in case you were considering buying this weekend. And those are over there at JM Bullion. They have the 2021 1-ounce Australian Platinum Kangaroo coin for $12.73.80. That's a pretty solid price, in my opinion, for a current year coin. And that's not a bad premium at all. That's about $110 over spot, which seems like a lot, but considering platinum, it's not that bad. If you are the more fractional type, Golden Eagle Coins has the 1/10 ounce Platinum Britannia for less than 150 bucks. So that's a solid deal as well. Yes, the premium percentage of over spot is a bit high. However, it's not as high as anywhere else you'll find online, and these coins are fairly low mintage year by year. So I picked up one of these last time they were at below 150. So this is something that the Platinum Beast also likes to stack. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Let me know your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Are you still bullish on platinum? Have you just kind of given up on buying it? What are your thoughts? Let me know them down below. And with all that being said, guys, until next time, we will see ya.